Welcome back, guys. And in today's world, everybody is facing with the spam calls problem. They are getting so much false calls for car loans, for health insurance, or for any purposes. So in this video, I am going to tell you one official trick to block the spam calls. How? This is a Samsung mobile. In Samsung mobile, there is a phone app. Just tap it here, then here three dots will come. Go to the setting. In setting, here caller ID and spam protection is there. Just turn it on. Before turning it on, just tap it here. This will use the country-wise software, Truecaller, here, anything depending upon your location, to stop the spam and scam calls. Here you can select also what block all spam or scam calls, or only block high risk scam calls. You can see your data will be processed according to your country's privacy policy. So what you have chosen, Truecaller or anything. So this is how you can officially activate spam protection in your Samsung mobile. This is all what I wanted to tell you. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel.